Grace, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. First of all, I'd like to say happy Valentine's Day to all my lovelies and all my lovebirds. I hope you guys have a fabulous Valentine's Day. I'm here with you guys today to give you guys this tutorial. So this is going to be a Valentine's Day look that you can wear on your date night, or you can even wear just on a regular day if you're just going out with your friends. You ain't gotta go on a date with a man or a woman or anybody in order for you to look this snatched. But I'm here to show you guys a quick and easy cute Valentine's Day look you can do. If you guys are new to my channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, and just in case you are not following me on any of my social media, it will be somewhere on the screen, so make sure you add me, follow me, let's become best of friends. With all that being said, let's get smacking with this tutorial, y'all. guys did enjoy that tutorial. Like I said, it's supposed to be something easy and Valentine's Day inspired. If you guys did like this video, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys do have your notification bell on so you can be notified every time I upload. And if you are not following me on any of my social media, it'll be somewhere on the screen, so make sure you add me, follow me, let's become best of friends. With all that being said, I want to wish you guys all a happy Valentine's Day again. Be safe, and I hope you guys enjoy your festivities. And thank you guys always for all the love and always all the support on my channel, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.